Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, so many cards, that's why I'm not taking. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius 5 sign or Gemini 8 sign. Under the deck 5 of Wands, King of Pentacles, the Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces and 10 of Swords. And Hierophant. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. I think you want to disconnect from this person or you want to end this relationship with this person due to another marriage is involved here or commitment or stability issues between you and your person. Yeah, you're very tired now because you tried so many times but it is not happening the way you want. There is no stability at all, especially from their side. Then finally you took your decision that you want to disconnect from this person. Lot of trust issues, lot of illusions, arguments involved here, especially there is no stability here. Now you want to focus on your career. Lot of drama, competition is going, especially lot of drama, fighting, big fighting, arguments. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 2 of Wands, King of Cups and 4 of Cups. Yeah, you still have strong emotions towards this person, recent past, but you want to leave or you want to disconnect from this person and you made your decision. I already told you, even though you're missing them, you have to make that decision. You have no other choice. Finally, you made your decision. That's why you're missing them. Then present 4 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles and Emperor. Now you want to heal from that pain. That's why you are just taking rest and taking care of yourself, and you are holding back here. You are not going to open up to anybody, or you are not willing to open up to anybody, and you be on your power. The Empress. Finally, you be on your power and you're becoming stubborn. Then future Temperance, Queen of Wands and the Lovers. So you're being very patient, or you are practicing patience here, and then you're taking your power back. And Lovers, I think some new person is entering in your life, and some of you still have strong emotions towards this person. Yes, you're still thinking about them, you're still missing them, but you are okay now because you are emotionally very, very strong person now. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. 5 of Pentacles, the Hierophant, 2 of Swords with 4 of Swords. I think lots of you are in no contact situation. Right now your person is also healing from this separation pain, and they're missing you a lot. Yeah, they're missing their key now. They are feeling alone without you. They know they did something wrong to you, or they are not offered commitment to you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Cards are jumping. Aquarius, your person current feelings and intentions towards you. And their intentions. Okay, it's your card and it's your reading. Under the deck, the Lovers, the Devil. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini or Capricorn. Nine of Swords and Six of Swords. Now they want to fix things with you. For some, it is too late. But now they're losing their nights over you and they're obsessed with you and they do love you. So the current feelings, Ace of Swords, Page of Pentacles and Four of Cups. You both missing each other. But you are okay without this person now because you are emotionally becoming a very, very strong person. Now you are a very strong person. But your person right now feeling alone without you. Now they want to come back and they want to communicate with you. They want to give some clarity. So you will receive communication and clarity from your person and their intentions, Eight of Swords, Ten of Cups and the Star. They are stuck on you. They can't let you go because you are on their mind. They're thinking about you a lot. That's why they can't let you go. And Ten of Cups with the Star. So they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. They're hoping best for this connection. So definitely they want to offer this Ten of Cups. And for some, marriage is involved in this relationship. Maybe another person is also involved in this relationship. Not for all, for some. So they are going to communicate with you. And they are obsessed with you. And they're losing their nights with you. Over you. I think they want to fix things with you. That's why they want to communicate and clarity. They want to give clarity to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Aquarius. Yeah, their emotions are running high. Yeah, they want to take action as soon as possible because they can't handle those emotions anymore. That's why they're ready to offer stability. That's why they made their decision and they're going to make action. They're ready to take action as soon as possible. For some, you have options or you are in some confusion here. And some of you, maybe you want to disconnect this person permanently or you want to end this relationship with this person. Or some of you still in some dilemma either to stay or to move on. Yeah, some of you maybe still waiting for this person for new beginnings with this person. And some of you leave this connection and just going with the flow and you are taking leap of faith. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Some of you are dealing with Scorpio here. You are going through some transformation, Aquarius. Some awakening process, some transformation. Yeah, you both are obsessed with each other. Again, the Star. Yeah, for some, definitely there will be second chances between you and your person. And for some, it depends on your situation, but I am saying some of you will give second chance to this person because you both obsessed with each other. Still you both are very attracted to each other. That's why maybe some of you both will get some new beginnings with each other and there will be some forward movement, but it is very slow moving. Still there are some issues involved in this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Maybe you both are Aquarius. You are also dealing with another Aquarius here. Lot of abundance is coming. Retreat and true love. True love, retreat and lot of abundance is coming are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Each sign. What do you need to release, waning moon? So if you have any negative thoughts or negative emotions or you have any fears, this is the message for you. You have to release all those things. And another message. Emotions are running high, supermoon. For some, your emotions are running high, especially when supermoon is going. Just do meditation to suppress your emotions or to lower your emotions. And under the deck, expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse. So supermoon, new moon, eclipse may be very important for you. So there will be some powerful changes coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.